I wanted to see what it would look like if I start with a neutral colour first. I'm just about to start painting on some new large canvases. These are metre by a metre. I have some bigger ones as well, but I'll start with a couple of those. And you might have seen that I did some quick sketches the other day where I wanted to see what it would look like if I start with a neutral colour first as sort of an underpainting and then add my bright colours on top, because I always just start with bright colours and then put neutral colours on top. So the bright colours come through the neutral colours. But as my paintings have gotten more and more colourful, the finished paintings, I thought it'd be fun to experiment to see what it looks like when I start with the muted colours. But it turns out, then I did this one, where I did just start like I did my last series with the colourful, quite saturated colours first, and then go a little bit neutral on top. And I did prefer that. But I thought I might still try a couple with the neutral colours. But maybe not the whole canvas, maybe just large parts of it. Because I did really like that sketch. What I liked about the other one, this one where I started with saturated colours first, was that you get that kind of glow from the white of the paper. But I could probably achieve that if I leave some areas blank. So I'm going to do 2 neutral ones first and then keep going.
Have you ever felt his fingertips sending shivers down your spine? It's enough to make you lose your sense, enough to make you lose your mind. There's magic in the way he moves, always steady, ever wild. And all this heartbreak he holds close, can feel it in the way he sighs. Maybe there's a way to fake I can stop my hands from shaking every time I feel like a fool. All I know is I'll be awake for an hour or two. But for now, oh for now, it's the wakening and not just, it's the changing of the moon. It's the way I know one day when I'm old, I might not have you. Oh, maybe there's a God above. If he can teach us how to love, then maybe we could all make it through. All I know is I need you here for an hour or two. 'Cause for now, oh for now, I want you, I want you, I want you, I want you, I want you. I'd do and take all my love and lay it on you. But all I know is I'll be awake for an hour or two. But for now, oh for now, for now, oh for now, I've got you.
you haven't seen the video yet that I talked about at the beginning, where I do some sketches to figure out if I want to start with muted colours or whether I want to start with soft pastels straight away, then I'll link that down below for you. And if you're brand new to painting or this more intuitive type of painting, then I'll also link my no pressure path to painting in the description. It's a free guide and it has simple exercises and a few tips on how to get you started. Until next time, thanks and bye bye.